皆さんこんにちは。今日、6ページを続きましょう。先週の、勉強を覚えてますか？ですね、先週これですね。N1 は N2 です。まず N1 は N2 ですの、基本的な日本語を、勉強しました。N1 you can replace to for example 私 N2 you change to 例えば学生 So 私は学生です。This is for positive sentence. You also have learned negative. N1 は Okay, N2 here ではありません。おじゃありません。This is for negative. You can put here again 私はand for example you can put sensei. That means you want to tell us that I am not a teacher. Okay, so number 1 here is positive, number 2 is negative. So this here is verb to be. Verb to be can be is, can be am, can be are. So here, 私は学生です。It means that I am a student. And this one for verb to be, but negative is not, am not, or are not. So 私は先生ではありません。or 私は先生じゃありません。So it means that I am not a teacher. So this is number 1, this is number 2. And number 3 also, you can put here N1 wa. It has to be synchronized here. N1 wa, N2 desu ka. So when you want to ask question, it has to end with ka. Ka is for question mark. So N1 you can change to anata. Anata means you. Anata wa, you change here to Malaysia Jin. You want to ask whether that person is Malaysian or not. So anata wa Malaysia Jin desu ka? Right? So this is, if you say your answer is yes, I am Malaysian. So for yes, you can say hi. Okay. If no, you can say yeah. So if positive, if hi, you have to say positive. Yeah, you have to say negative. あなたはマレーシア人ですか？はい。私はマレーシア人です。You go to positive. If not, あなたはマレーシア人ですか？いいえ。You change to I. 私はマレーシア人ではありません。はい。So, another one that we learn is about more. Okay. So, 私も学生です。例えば。も means also. はい。私はマレーシア人です。あなたもマレーシア人ですか？はい。私も例えばマレーシア人です。In this case, 私は学生です。あなたも学生ですか？はい。私も学生です。What if the answer is no? あなたも学生ですか？いいえ、私は学生ではありません。いいですか？それから、we have particles. We have here は。Okay, all these are は。We have ka and we have more. Okay, we have more here. So we have three particles that we have learned previously. Alright, so we continue to today's lesson with examples of sentences based on what we have learned before. Okay, so here if you look at page number 6、6ページを見てください。ですね、number 1 here we have Q and A。 あなたはマイクミラさんですか？あなたマイクミラさんですか？ The answer is はい。私はマイクミラです。Okay, let's discuss about this one. So sentence structure, remember this formula, N1 wa, N2 des. And N1 wa, N2 de wa arimasen. And last but not least, N1 wa, N2 desu ka. So this is positive, negative, and question mark. So this one, number 1, anata wa maiku mira-san desu ka? Right? So this one is actually a question mark. So it goes to number 3 here. Yeah. N1 wa is anata. Anata is N1. This is N1. Anata means you. Maiku mira-san is N2. And this is particle wa. This is particle ka. Okay. So the answer is positive. When the answer is positive, so you have to use watashi wa. Of course, you replace N1 here to I. Watashi wa maiku mira desu. So when you address someone, you have question must put san. But if you mention your name, you don't have to put san. San when you address somebody else. So in this case, so you refer to yourself. Hai, watashi wa maiku mira desu. Other example. Anata wa Rosli-san desu ka? Hai, watashi wa Rosli desu. If the answer is negative, so perhaps you can put here, iie, watashi wa maiku, in this case, maiku mira de wa arimasen. Okay, so this is when you say negative, make sure at the end here it has to be negative. This is positive. Yeah, so this sentence structure is actually come from the formula that we have learned before. N1 wa N2 desu, N1 wa N2 de wa arimasen, N1 wa N2 desu ka. So if the positive, hai, watashi wa maiku mira desu, iie, watashi wa maiku mira san de wa maiku mira de wa arimasen. So you can replace it. Alright, so this is very clear. So we move on to number 2. Number 2 here. Maiku Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Mira-san wa, again question. Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Right? And the answer here is iye. Watashi wa gakuseiじゃありません. And continue with kaishain desu. Alright. Mira-san wa is N1. Gakusei desu ka is N2. Okay. Wa and ka is particle. So the answer is negative here because iye means no. Watashi wa, okay, this is because the person asked about Mira. So Mira answers this. Watashi wa gakusei ja arimasen is negative. Okay, and at the same time also Mira-san mentioned that he is a company employee. This is company employee. Right, iye, watashi wa gakuseiじゃありません. Kaishain desu. This is positive. So, someone asked Mira, are you a student? And he answered that, no, I am not a student. I am a company employee. So, you can ask, people can ask you, anata wa sensei desu ka? Iye, watashi wa senseiじゃありません. Gakusei desu. Yeah, you can answer that. Are you a teacher? No, I am not a teacher. I am a student. Alright. So, and then after that, number 3, wan-san wa engineer desu ka? Iie, wan-san wa engineerじゃありません. Isha desu. とですね。はい。続きましょう。Number 3 here. One someone engineer. So the answer is iye. One someone engineerじゃありません. Alright. So one someone again is N1. You have particle wa, you have desu ka. One someone engineer desu ka is Mr. One is an engineer. Okay, this is N2. The answer is negative. Iye, one someone engineer it has to be negative. Engineer じゃありません。はい。ワンさんは、これはですね、医者です。Yeah? 医者です。Okay. So, engineer means engineer. And Isha means doctor. So, Mr. Wang answered that he is not an engineer, he is a doctor. Alright. So, we move on to number 4. Number 4 here, we have あの方はどなたですか? Donata. Donata desu ka? Okay. Wato-san desu. Wato-san desu. Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. Daigaku. Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. Alright. So, ano kata wa still N1. Donata is N2. And you have particle wa, you have question mark, you have ka. Donata means who. Donata is more polite. Donata means who is in polite form. Because dare also is the who, but it is a polite way to ask question. Ano kata wa that person? Who is that person? Donata desu ka? Wato-san desu. That person is Mr. Wato. Who is Wato? He is Sakura Daigaku, is Sakura University. Sakura University. Sensei is a teacher or lecturer. Yeah, so you can put here lecturer. Sakura Daigaku, lecturer. So it can be when you translate this, it can be a lecturer of Sakura University. Okay, so in between Sakura Daigaku and Sensei, it has one particle, no. So no, the function of no is possession. So you can put as of. Okay, a lecturer of Sakura University. Yeah. 例えば、私は先生です。私はユニセルの先生です。Yeah. ロスリーさんは、例えば、ロスリーさんはユニセルの先生です。Okay? ユニセルの先生 that means Rosli さんはユニセルの先生です。It means that Mr. Rosli is a teacher of a lecturer of UNICEF. So the not is again is a new particle that you learn today is means of. Yeah. Let's repeat. Ano kata wa donata desu ka? Who is that person? Wato-san desu. It means that person is Mr. Wato. And there is explanation. Who is he? In detail, Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. A lecturer of Sakura University. Right. So that is number 4. Number 5. Number 5 here, you have question. Teresa Chang wa nansai desu ka? Okay. The answer kyusai desu. Alright. So we have here Teresa Chang N1. Nansai is N2. And you have a question mark here, ka. Teresa Chang wa nansai desu ka? Chang is suffix for young children. Yeah, young children, not only children, mostly to girls. Yeah, Teresa Chang wa nansai. Nansai is how old? How old is Teresa? So the answer is kyusai desu. Okay. So what you have learned today here, you have learned again N1 wa N2 desu. Okay. N1 wa N2 dewa arimasen. Okay. So you also have learned N3 mo N2 desu. Mo because you have the same as N2. For example, positive here. Anata wa gakusei desu ka? Hai, watashi mo gakusei desu. Desu ka? Mo, you have learned particle mo. And then you have learned number 2 here, nansai, donata, and nansai. So donata means who and how old. Okay. So the same time also you learn particle no. Yeah, no when you have for example the word gakusei. You want to tell that you are a student of Unicel. So you can put here Unicel no gakusei desu. So the function of no is possession. Okay, Unicel no gakusei desu. So this is what you have learned in chapter number 1. Wa mo ka. You have ka here. Okay, so you can put here N1 wa N2 desu ka. Okay, ka. You also learn about no. So particles that you learn, wa, ka, mo, and no. Okay. The sentence structure that you learn, sentence structure is these are the one. N1 wa N2 desu, N1 wa N2 dewa arimasen, N1 wa N2 desu ka. Right? So also you learn about interrogative question, which is donata and also nansai. So these are all about chapter number 1. So you have to you do your revision and practice later on. We discuss about that. Hai, minasan, kyou wa kore de orimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.